Hello?
Come on, let's go! Get him in there! Come on!
Amos!
Hey, miss, I got most of the horses secure and the chicken.
Well, thank you, Amos, but it's the herd I'm worried about.
I know, they're scattered all over the valley and beyond. The weather is coming in real fast.
So what do you suggest, Amos? We leave the herd out there to be scattered by the storm and ourselves left here to die without a livelihood?
Can I help?
No, miss. If the men get caught out in that storm, they're gonna die.
And if we lose our herd, we'll all die, you stupid man.
Doesn't sound like we're left with much of a choice then. Come on, Amos. Round up your men. Let's get the herd.
Dang.
Whoa! Let's get going before the weather gets any worse.
Yeah.
The storm's getting worse. We need to stick together. We have 2 herds out grazing in different pastures. We'll need to merge them and bring them all back.
I think we can handle that.
The cows get real ornery in bad weather. It's more work, but I'll show you how to deal with them. It's gonna be difficult to talk in this weather. Stay close. We don't want to lose each other. Marston, we haven't got much time. Drive them over to the pasture by the old oak tree. We'll merge them with the other herd there.
Come on! Come on! Come on!
The weather changes fast out here. This storm came out of nowhere.
Yeah!
Have you seen that sky? They gotta keep moving.
Go! Move it! Get a move on! Forward! Move on! Move on! Move! Let's go! Let's go! Move it up! Whoa there! Move! Get going! Come on! Stay together, you dumb animals! No stopping! Let's go!